now let's read what are administrative sources. Administrative sources are written records of the British rule in India, which is prepared by administrators, officials, and historians. These are mainly of two types, that is your official records and surveys. So what are official records? So one important source of knowing history is the official records of the British administration. The British believe that every policy, direction, and plan of British should be written clearly. It includes recording all administrative reports, letters, and documents. All officers had their record rooms. Specialized institutions like museums, libraries were also opened at local provincials to keep records. With the spread of the art and painting, a large number of copies of these records were available in all government departments. Then next is your survey. These are also given a lot of importance by the British because they believed that surveys would enable them to administer the country and know the people better. The Survey of India was set up in 18th century. It conducted surveys of unexplored areas on scientific principles. So by the 19th century, surveys were done to map the entire country. Surveys were carried out to access revenue, flora and fauna, then your topography, pattern of croppings, geological places, archaeological sites, etc. And at the end of 19th century, census were also carried out. The census operations were held after every 10 years. These helped the British officials to prepare detailed records of the number of people in the provinces of India.